Welcome to our channel! Today, we are learning how to play True Colors, an entertaining party game that doubles up as a revealing social experience. What do your friends really think of you? To win the game, earn the most points at the end of 10 rounds. You earn points by correctly guessing how many other players will vote for you for each of the various questions asked. To set up, players choose colors and take matching tokens and player cards, placing them visibly. Each player receives 2 voting cards of the other active colors except their own. Arrange the 3 guessing cards, most, some, none, the question deck and the ballot box centrally. Appoint the scorekeeper with the score pad. We're ready to play! Each round of True Colors consists of 4 actions: reading the question, voting, deciding how many votes you think you will get, and revealing the votes. Choose a player to draw the first question card and read the question aloud. They can choose either the question on the front or the back. Once the question is read, players privately vote for the person they believe best suits the question, excluding themselves. Each player submits 2 votes. You can double up on one color or split your vote with 2 colors. Keep your votes confidential. After everyone votes, predict how others voted for you. Will you get the most votes, some, or none? Put your token on the matching guessing card. Multiple players can choose most, but only one can be right. Some cards may have no tokens, which is okay too. It is now time to reveal the votes. Open the ballot box, lay the voting cards on the table, and count them up. Then, score each player's points based on this system. 3 points if you got the most votes and correctly placed your token on the most guessing card. 3 points if you got no votes and correctly placed your token on the none guessing card. 1 point if you got at least 1 vote, but not the majority, and correctly placed your token on the some guessing card. 0 points if you guessed incorrectly. For example, you placed your token on the none guessing card but got 1 vote. The scorekeeper logs everyone's score. Round 1 is done. To set up the next round, discard the question card from the round just played. Next, so that everybody's voting choices remain secret, turn all used voting tokens face down and all players add their unused voting tokens into the pile for a shuffle. Redistribute 2 voting tokens of each color, except their own, to each player like before. The next question reader is to the left of the player who read before. Play 10 rounds and it's time to end the game. The player with the most points wins. Or you could just keep playing because it's just so fun. And that's it. True Colors may be classified as a party game, but as many have found, it's a playful way to deepen friendships and open up candid conversations and reflections. Have fun! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.